everyone, and welcome. So, you're on the hunt for the best VPN for 2025. And let's be real, it can be a bit overwhelming. You're staring at a few big names, all promising to be the fastest, the most secure, the best. Well, today, we're going to cut right through all that noise. It's a VPN showdown. NordVPN, Surfshark, ExpressVPN versus CyberGhost.
But here's the real question, right? Which one of these giants is actually the right fit for you? When it comes down to it, which one truly has your back for privacy, performance, and of course, price? Let's figure that out.
All right, let's get into it. Before we can see how they stack up against each other, we've got to properly meet our four main contenders.
Now, here's something you might not know. On one side, we've got NordVPN and Surfshark. They've actually joined forces under one parent company, Nord Security. And on the other side, we have ExpressVPN and CyberGhost, who are both owned by Capay Technologies. Kind of interesting, right? Two big parent companies, four massive brands. Let's see how this family rivalry plays out.
First things first, we have to talk about the stuff that is absolutely non-negotiable: security and privacy. I mean, this is why most of us get a VPN in the first place, so it's the bedrock of our whole comparison. And the good news? All four of these guys set a really, really high bar here.
So, all four use top-of-the-line encryption. That's the digital armor that shields your data. And what's super important, they all have strict no-logs policies that have been checked out by independent auditors. That just means they do not keep records of what you do online, at all. Plus, they all run on what are called RAM-only servers. Think of it like this. Every time a server reboots, poof, everything's wiped clean. So the main takeaway here is you can absolutely trust any of these four with your basic security.
But this is where we see the first real difference, where they're legally based. NordVPN operates out of Panama, which is a total privacy haven. Surfshark, on the other hand, is based in the Netherlands, a country that's part of the Nine Eyes Intelligence Sharing Alliance. Now, what does that mean? Well, theoretically, the government could ask for data, but since Surfshark doesn't log anything in the first place, it's kind of a moot point. You can't hand over data you don't have, but it's definitely a key difference you should know about.
Okay, so they're all rock solid on security, but what about performance? After security, speed is the one thing you're actually going to feel every single day. So you know what we have to do? Let's put them to the test.
Now, before we look at the numbers, you gotta know about the engine that makes these speeds happen. It's called the tunneling protocol. This is basically the secret sauce, the tech that encrypts your data and zips it through the VPN servers. And the best ones, like WireGuard and NordVPN's own version called NordLynx, are what make those blazing fast speeds even possible.
And when we look at the results, there's a pretty clear story. NordVPN and Surfshark are just neck and neck at the very top, giving you incredible speeds that are perfect for things like 4K streaming or gaming. ExpressVPN, it's right there in third, with speeds that are totally fine for most people. And while CyberGhost has this massive server network, its speed, well, let's just say there's some room for improvement there.
Look, speed and security are the foundation, but the best VPNs give you a whole lot more. These extra features are often what separates a pretty good service from a truly great one. So let's see what else you're getting for your money. Glancing at the features here, you can see everybody's bringing something to the party. They all have some kind of ad and malware blocker, which is great, but a couple things really stand out. Surfshark has this camouflage mode, which basically hides the fact that you're even using a VPN, which is super useful on restrictive networks. And then you have CyberGhost, which offers servers that are specifically optimized for stuff like streaming and gaming, which just takes all the guesswork out of finding the best connection. But honestly, when you look at the whole package, the conclusion is pretty clear. NordVPN's feature set is just unmatched. It comes with tools like threat protection, which works kind of like an antivirus in the background, and it even has a dark web monitor that'll let you know if your data gets leaked. It's way more than just a simple VPN, it's a whole security suite. All right, we've hit security, we've hit speed, and we've hit features. Now it's time for the last and maybe most important piece of the puzzle, the price. Let's look at the cost, what you actually get for it, and the overall value. Price-wise, ExpressVPN is definitely the most premium of the four. On the other end, Surfshark and CyberGhost are way more affordable. But the real key here is value, and this is where Surfshark pulls out a total game changer: unlimited connections. You can protect every single device you, your family, your friends own on one subscription. It's huge. And CyberGhost has a really generous 45-day money-back guarantee, giving you plenty of time to kick the tires. So what's the bottom line here? It honestly depends on what you need. If you're someone who wants the absolute best security and the most features possible, hands down, go with NordVPN. If you're on a budget and you've got a ton of devices to cover, Surfshark's unlimited connections are just unbeatable. ExpressVPN is a fantastic choice if you want to set it up on your router and easily protect your whole house. And if your main thing is streaming and entertainment, CyberGhost's optimized servers and long guarantee make it a really smart pick.
So ultimately, the choice boils down to this. What's your number one priority? Is it the ironclad security, the fastest speeds you can get, or just the best bang for your buck? Each one of these VPNs is a champion in its own right. Just figure out what matters most to you, and the right choice will be obvious. And hey, to help you get started, we've gathered some exclusive discounts for each one. Choose wisely and stay safe out there.